So of course, beginning, the first thing you need to use is like a primer. So, oh my god, planes. So I'm gonna take this. This is my Sheer Cover Duo Concealer. I wouldn't recommend Sheer Cover for anything other than this Duo Concealer. They do mineral foundations and things like that. This works great as a primer, and I think that rather than spending money on a primer, I had this, found that it worked great on it, so I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use the darker colour. They're kind of the same, but this one's a little lighter, so it looks a bit chalky. This one's a bit darker, so it's back to kind of my skin tone. Just like prod a bit of... Oh, it's so good right now. It's like so strange right now. And this is a sleek, I don't even know what it is. Oh, sleek sunset makeup palette. Ah, look at that. You can see my amazing camera stand, piece of books and a box. And there's my camera. Oh, and you can see, okay, that's really weird. This is the variety of colors that you get. I'm going to be taking the orange one first. I'm going to be putting that on the crease. I'm going to use the E35 from Sigma, and it looks like that. This is the crease brush, so it works amazing on you. I'm going to dab a bit of that orange, like just about that much, and you're going to take your brush, just going to sweep over the crease. So now I've got the orange on top. Use like a cotton wool or something and just get the product slightly off the brush. Like that. So you don't want too much of the product on, so it's like hardly there. And just buff it out right to the end with the same brush. I'm going to be using this white colour from the number 7 palette. It's like a white cream colour, it looks like that, and gold little glitter stuff in it. I think this colour goes more with this rather than a striking white colour, because then it doesn't really look like it's blended. So you're going to take like a shading brush, number 106 from Makeup Store, and it's made of real sable hair. So it's not the synthetic brushes like Sigma. You see the colour? It's not white, it's like cream. I'm going to dab that on the inside of the eyes. Next, we're going to take the E25 blending brush from Sigma, and we're just going to blend the two colors together. Now we're going to use the same brush, the same E25, and we're going to use that same orange for this color. See the orange I've put on the E25, and we're just going to put it in the corners of the eyes and push forward. This is either the fun or the really annoying part. I'm gonna take the Sigma E30 pencil brush, which looks like this. I'm gonna use the black color, just the black simple color from Sigma, from Sleek, just on one side of the brush. So not that side, just that side. Just put it on the edge of the lash line. I'm gonna just pull that up. So we pull that up like that. We're going to push in into the crease, making sure you don't go above, just in the crease. Use the pencil brush to really get a nice flick. To that, we're going to take a bit more of that white and we're going to work it in the middle of the black and the white just to blend it a bit more. You can go over again with the E35 on the orange. For underneath the eyes, we're just going to take that E30 brush again. That's the eyes almost done, and now the phone rings. I'm just going to use a simple mascara. This is the number 7 Lash Adapt. Well, it says a smooth glide on mascara that builds layers to create multiple lash looks. So you can either put it on natural look or you can put it on like a really heavy look. For my lashes underneath, I'm going to take another simple mascara, nothing too fancy. Define a Lash, Maybelline. Love it for my bottom lashes, like, love it. So, I'm going to, instead of like putting it on top, I'm going to work underneath and roll it up. Okay, so that's my look for today.
Now we're going to move on to my beautiful face. Joke.
I use the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. You literally just put that on your face and then blend it, so. Looking so funny right now. Like teeny, and you can put it in your bag and you have it everywhere with you, and unlike foundations sometimes just like leak in your bag, this is neat and small and it's really good, and you can build it up so you can put it really light or you can put lots and lots of lines on your face and blend it together for either a full coverage or just a light coverage. I'm not going to use like a really harsh blusher. This is quite a harsh look, so I'm just going to take the blusher from Benefit. This is Bella Bamba. Hasn't got a colour. I think it's just that. And it's like a pink sort of colour like that, and I'm not even going to put too much on. I think a nude colour will definitely go with this. My nude colour is quite weird how I do it. This is the Benefit Lip Plump, and I really like the colour of it, like the colour that comes out, so this is what I use for my nude lips. You're just going to dab it. It's quite dry, so you're going to want to put lip gloss or something on top of it. Finish that off because it looks like I have white lips. This is a Clinique, just a nice pink clear lip gloss. And that is the look for today. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Please comment or anything like that. I'd really love to know what you think of my looks. I will be doing lots more in the future, but this is just the one for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.